So I want to find from first principles the derivative of this function at this particular point at x equals 1. Okay, so the derivative is equal to f of x plus h subtract the function all over h. Okay, so f of x plus h is going to be 4 over x plus h. Subtract the function, which is 4 over x, and that is all over h. Okay, alright, so I went over before how you subtract these functions and sort out this whole, simplify this whole equation here. Okay, here's what you do. You're going to multiply these two together, okay, to get a common denominator. 4 gets multiplied by the x, this 4 gets multiplied by the x plus h, so really I'm multiplying this fraction by this denominator and this fraction by this denominator. Then because I'm dividing by h here, that's the same as multiplying by 1 over h, and that'll get rid of this down here. So what I end up with is, let's just write h, okay, what I end up with is 4x subtract 4 times x plus h all over x times h times x plus h. That's x times h times x plus h. Okay, so that neatens it up a bit. Okay, so from there I can expand the brackets at the top. Don't do anything to the bottom, there's no point, and just make things messy. It's in the form you want at the moment, so I get to there. Then collect like terms, 4x, take 4x, gets rid of the 4x's, so I'm left with negative 4h on top of xh, x plus h, okay? Then you can see that h is a common factor at the top and bottom, so I can cancel them out, so I'm left with negative 4 over x times x plus h. Now, that means the derivative, the slope function, so h approaches to 0, I make h 0, you can see it's going to be negative 4 over x times x, which is negative 4 over x squared. Now, that's the slope function. So the derivative at this point at x equals 1, what I do, once I've got the slope function, I just go, well then what is derivative of 1? So that's going to become negative 4. So that is the slope of the tangent at the point at x equals 1.